The Guyana Power and Light Incorporated (GPL) is intensifying efforts to address electricity issues on the Essequibo Coast. The Guyana Power Station has a total of 7 units installed. However, due to unforeseen mechanical and electrical issues, only 2 of those units are currently operating. Chief Executive Officer Albert Gordon said the 2 units are unable to satisfy the demand and another unit is expected to be operational by September 29. The CEO said, and I quote, "That would improve the situation, but electricity distribution will still be rotated. While we're trying to get this unit up, both GPL and MacCorp are working to fix an additional 2 units to boost capacity. When we combine that with the existing units that we have operating, we will be able to satisfy the peak demand." End of quote. The power company is planning to add a 4th unit to the 3 new ones that will be commissioned later this year. Gordon said the 4th unit will serve as a backup and will eventually replace the aged units. He said, and I quote, "We do plan to install an additional 5 megawatts. The expectation is that this will allow us to comfortably bring the self-generators to GPL's grid so we can provide at a lower cost than we are now. The additional capacity will also facilitate growth and encourage investment and better use of power." End of quote. The CEO is urging residents to remain patient as GPL expedites all efforts to return electricity supply to normalcy.